I was also told that the Fiji... Thank you, you may know. And also one athlete in the ability, the opportunities to articulate themselves.
The Minister for Employment, Productivity, Industrial Relations, Youth and Sports, Honorable Pavilion, Special Olympics Fiji Chairman, Mr. Beshwa Sidal, the 2019 Special Olympic World Games medalist. Ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, everyone. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon. I have to say that this has been a very special session of Parliament for me personally, as this is the second time this week I've had the privilege to spend time with all of you, our talented athletes of our very special Olympics team. So again, on behalf of all your fellow Fijians, I want to thank each of you for the effort and dedication you put forward while competing for your country. Some of you have faced incredible obstacles throughout your lives, but you've overcome those obstacles. You've earned your place on Team Fiji, and you've done your country proud on the world stage, taking home 17 medals from the World Special Olympic Games in Abu Dhabi. I was particularly impressed that Team Fiji earned more gold medals than even New Zealand. And I'm glad. And I'm glad to see that we're still punching above our weight on the world stage. I know most of you, this competition was your first time leaving the country. I'm happy you've had the chance to experience a new part of the world, meet new people, and learn new things about different countries. By taking that brave and bold step forward in your lives, you've inspired countless young people across the country. Young people who want to be just like you when they grow up. And while I may not be a young man anymore, you've inspired me as well. Your huge smiles and your positive energy are contagious. In the face of any hardship or obstacle that life has thrown at you, those smiles shine through it all. It puts all of this week's heated debates in Parliament into perspective. We are truly blessed to be fighting for Fijians like you. When I first welcomed all of you back home to Fiji and congratulated you on your stellar performance, we celebrated by getting you all some McDonald's, and I hope you enjoyed it. But I felt that winning 17 medals for Fiji deserved something a little more than just McDonald's and burgers. And I'm not talking about ice cream for dessert. That is why today we're rewarding your achievement and expressing our gratitude by granting $1,000 to every gold medal winner, $600 for every silver medal winner, and $300 for every bronze medal winner. But we've also decided there are some of you, as I told you last week, it's not only about winning medals, it's about participating in sports and visiting new country, going through all the hardships with your parents and trying to get you across there. So we've also decided that those of you who have did not win any medals, we'll also give you some pocket money. I want to tell you all that you've earned that. You earned that reward, and you've made me proud, and you've made Fiji proud. And I know you'll continue to inspire us with your future achievements. I know you'll continue to serve as a beacon of hope to every Fijian by showing us that no victory is out of reach and no goal is impossible. Thank you for all that you do, and best of luck in all the competitions you have ahead. I understand there's going to be the next World Cup in Germany. I also hear that there'll be the Winter World Cup in Sweden. So I hope you'll attend both in numbers. Go and try and feel the cold and the snow. But thank you. Thank you all for all that you do, and best of luck in the competitions you have ahead. Thank you. God bless you all. Naka. Thank you.
If we can invite forward Viola, Bali.
1, 2, 3.
A big smile.